What's up everybody and welcome back to Marty Motoring. Today is kind of a special episode. I'm just filming my little beach trip / Ocean City endless summer cruise in Ocean City, Maryland. I'm actually staying at my friend Steve's house, Hammer Down Motorsports. He's been on the channel a bunch before, and I have my Camaro here with me. Also, he brought his Camaro, and we have our friend Mark that drove all the way from Ohio to Ocean City, Maryland with his 5th gen Camaro as well. He has a 2014. It's cool. We have 3 Camaro SS's, a little bit different, each one of them. We got the Camaro here. It was just recently lowered. That was my last video. Made the, I think it was 200 miles or something like that, drive down here. It's looking really good and clean. Steve let me park it in the garage. We use the 6th gen to go to a couple places. We just got here today. We're gonna be here for the weekend. And then you can see Mark's car as well. So I'm just gonna grab a bunch of video of things we do, and we're hopefully gonna have a good time. Steve, thanks for having me over.
You bet.
It's a pretty awesome place to stay.
We got 3 Camaros.
All manual. Got the 6th gen, 2 5th gens. Here's Mark's keys, of course. Same for 2014 and the 2013.
So hopefully at the end of the day we still have all 3 sets.
Yeah, hopefully we don't get impounded.
Let's roll!
Let's roll!
Pound it, potato! Pound it! That was horrible.
Mark.
What's up, bud? Just drinking a drink here, bud.
No, it was 70. 70's on the split grill.
Everyone, it's the next day. Last night was just kind of our first night here, so everybody was tired. We went to bed. So it's Saturday. We're here at the beach house and we're making some breakfast, believe it or not, at like 1 p.m. because we all slept in. It was awesome. Can't wait to get the cars out there again, get some really cool shots that hopefully will be coming up next here. But first, it's time to make this food and eat it.
Bacon.
So cooking some bacon on the charcoal grill. Nothing like some breakfast in the afternoon. So it's pretty cloudy today. We got the Camaros, Mark's, mine, and of course Steve's. We're gonna take them out on the strip and see what's happening, maybe get some cool shots like I said earlier, and that's pretty much the plan. So here's Mark's 2014 SS. He's actually one of the reasons I got the car because I test drove his and I actually really liked it.
That's right, I forgot, yeah.
Yeah, and then I went and got a 2013, which a little bit different design, but same engine, same platform.
Red Rock Metallic is the original color.
That's cool. And then you wrapped it in this green.
Yeah, gloss lime green is what it's called. Avery Dennison. Time to rock and roll, boys.
course, with V8 cars, you make a lot of gas stops, so here we are gas station. So we were hanging out, seeing cars. We also met up with JD Joyride, and Mark decided to do some rollers. So my friend Steve was driving, Mark was doing rollers out of the window, and he got a seatbelt ticket, which really sucks. There it is. So just because he was sticking his camera out the window and his head, they got him for the seatbelt.
Pretty official. $83.
That's not terrible.
Passenger
First time in Ocean City.
Passenger age 16 or more in outboard front seat of motor vehicle without seatbelt restraint.
Said he could have locked him up for it. That's
Yeah,
what
he's like,
said.
yeah, he was like, I could arrest you for this. I was like,
What? He was like laughing as he said it.
Super easy to get pulled over. I'm surprised I didn't for some stupid reason. They got him for that, but all in all, still a good night.
Worth it.
Worth it for that shot.
Vlog. Do it for the vlog.
It's been a fun night, but the thing is here, you can just get pulled over really easy, so you gotta go under 25 miles per hour, which makes it less fun, and I don't know, it's not as enjoyable when you're just worried the whole time, but we did get to meet up with some people and get some good footage, see some cool cars, hang out. Well everybody, now we're home, back from the trip. It was a really fun time, I'm glad I went. I've been to a cruise week back in spring of 2018, and now I finally went to a fall one in fall of 2020. We did hit some rain on the way home, so you know, it's not always fun driving a Camaro in the rain, but we got home safe, nothing happened, thankfully. Big thanks to Steve for letting me stay at his house, also to Mark for making a 7-hour drive to hang out. That's a lot just for like a day. So check those guys out. I linked them throughout the video. You can follow them on Instagram, and they have YouTube channels. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment what your favorite part was. Hit that subscribe button and follow along with the channel and future videos. Follow me on Instagram at Marty Motoring. And as always, keep those wheels turning.